Well, welcome everybody. Welcome to another episode of the Partner Showcase series, the Voler Systems series, where we have a chance to chat for just 5 minutes with partners and alliances and friends of the Voler family. And today I'm delighted to be here with Paul D'Souza and his wife, Shino. And you will hear a very interesting story. You can obviously see there are horses in the picture as well. So yeah, Paul, tell me a little bit about you. Tell us about the Healing Ranch and also about Extron.
When the pandemic hit, I got out of downtown San Jose. We were right there in Egley Park, where 280 meets 680. And I bought this ranch. We're on 300 something acres on the Navajo reservation. We're checkerboard. So I'm totally surrounded by the Navajo reservation.
New Mexico, right? You're in New Mexico.
In New Mexico, just south of the city of Gallup. And the website is thehealingranch.org. And it's really a place where I'm allowing executives, business owners, people like you and me, to come here and work on yourselves. If you need to do some R&R and think about a business strategy, think about the pivot.
I love it. Right? I definitely want to come and pay you a visit and get to know your horses. How many horses do you have there, Paul?
So as of now, I have 5. I had 9 at one point. This is Rosa, and they were all wild Mustangs from the Navajo reservation. I wrote a proposal. I said, give me, unfortunately, there's too many of them, so they rehomed them and stuff for that. And yeah, so I got her off the res. And she was skinny and stuff for that, and now she's a big baby. I met with Extron, and one thing led to the other, and we were absolutely just rocking the business out, which is logistics, 3PL. But they have a difference, which is, they're really shifting how people think about producing products. Right? We focus on anything with the PCB board in it. And what we're suggesting is that with all the challenges in the supply chain space, do the final assembly in the US. So we call it the little edgy narrative is the get out of China strategy. But it's really the strategy with bringing flexibility, bringing resilience, bringing control into such a chaotic world in supply chain. Right. So we're saying, hey, get the freedom, get the flexibility to source your components wherever you might find the best deal, because supplies are really tough to get, right? Sourcing product, bring them to the US, we'll assemble them for you, and then you can sort of maintain the relationships to your customers. The reason why I've been so bullish with you and Walt, right, at Voler, is because unless you get your DFMs, right? You design for manufacturing strategy in place so that you can bring flexibility at the component level.
Right.
For product assembly, right? You can't just slip this new strategy in if you have a CM in place and stuff for that. So what we're suggesting is, hey, let's talk at the design level.
Thank you so much for bringing the horses out this morning on Monday morning. Yeah. Also, thank you for introducing me to your wife. I appreciate it. And yes, I definitely want to pay you a visit in New Mexico, Paul, at some point and spend some time at the Healing Ranch. And yeah, let's continue to look for partnerships and opportunities for Voler Systems and Extron to help businesses.
Exactly. The product. My message is people who are committed to bringing out a product in the market. It's really, given the challenges in the supply chain space, it's really important to start early, work with you, work with Walt, connect with us, talk to my ops guys, and really talk about, hey, what does this product look like if we assemble it in the US? How do we design the product? How do we get the components? How do we do it modular? So you can bring to the client, right, can bring flexibility in their sourcing, in their purchasing.
Yeah.
Right? That's going to be a huge thing. Do you need to bring some components? And also you got to do compliance along the way if you're a medical device or for each component. So my point is, it's a very complex narrative, but let's have it early. Oh, and we can do it at the Healing Ranch.
Exactly. And enjoy the outdoors and enjoy the beautiful animals that you've raised.
And come and meet Rosa.
Meet Rosa. Rosa's my favorite, definitely. I look forward to
she's amazing.
Meeting Rosa and the rest of the horses. Paul, I don't want to take any more time of more of your time this morning. Thank you so much. I'm going to make sure I add both URLs to the Healing Ranch and to Extron in this short video, and we'll socialize it with our partners and our customers
Exactly.
and our different recipients of our newsletter. But thanks once
Exactly.
again for your time this morning. I appreciate
You're
it.
most welcome. All the best. Take care.